All right, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So, nothing to write home about. Yeah. Nothing to write a letter to home about. So, like letter. Yeah, there we are, like a letter. Yeah, nothing to write home about. Yeah. Something not special. Not exciting or amazing. Meh. Boring. Bland. Yeah, so boring. Try and get a bit. Yeah, boring. Yeah, not special. Not exciting. Meh. Meh. Yeah, it was nothing to write home about. Yeah, the news was not nothing. The news was nothing to write home about. Yeah. The party was nothing to write home about. Yeah, it was boring and non-eventful. Meh. Who cares? Yeah. Those articles weren't anything to write home about. Yeah, no one cared about them. Doesn't matter. Whatever. It was nothing to write home about. Yeah, who cares about it? Meh. Meh. We think those awards aren't anything to write home about. Yeah, so we won these awards. We won all these awards, but who cares about them? Meh. They aren't special. They aren't special nor exciting. So they are nothing to write home about. That's it. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. So what? Yeah. Nothing to write home about. Boring. Yeah. So we went to the place, but it was not what I expected. It was colder. It was cold, boring, and expensive. Yeah. Nothing to write home about. Meh. So what? Yeah. So yeah. Now, can you, language explorers, write nothing to write home about in a sentence? Can you use it in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.